In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to create the trending 2025 season has come to an end video for TikTok or Instagram Reels. Since 2025 is over, many of these recap style videos are appearing across social media and you can easily make one of yourself using the CapCut and TikTok apps. Start by making sure CapCut is installed in your device. Now launch your TikTok app. Type in 2025 season comes to an end or 2025 recap template and search for it. You'll see a variety of videos using different 2025 themed templates such as recap and thank you edits, and you can scroll through and choose any template you like. After selecting a video with the template you want, tap on the CapCut try this template. Then choose Use Template in CapCut. Wait a few seconds for the template to load. Then tap Use Template in the bottom right corner to open a photo gallery. Now go ahead and select the video and photos from your gallery required according to the template. Keep in mind that the first clip will act as the cover and play for about 5 seconds, so choose one carefully. Once all clips are selected, tap the preview button and CapCut will automatically generate the trending video. You can then review the video, add text, include sounds, or rearrange the clips if needed. When you are satisfied with the final result, simply tap the export option or choose to add sound in TikTok. Then save the video to your gallery or share it directly with your followers on TikTok and Instagram Reels. So that's all for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.